Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, GBP, JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and if we just look at the chart right now, then we can see that there is not much movement in the chart of USD CAD right now. Generally, we see a correlation with the US dollar chart. Whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD also goes up, and when US dollar goes down, USD CAD also goes down. But right now, you can see that for the last couple of hours, we can see the market is constantly forming dojis and spinning tops. And dojis and spinning tops signifies that there is an indecision in the market. It means that there is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers, and as a result, market is still in a confusion mode. Market has not decided yet, or market is not sure whether it will be going up or down. As a result, we are seeing this kind of a confusing pattern in the chart of USD CAD. If you look at the chart of US dollar here, as it has a direct relation with the chart of USD CAD, you can see that since yesterday there is a good movement, there is a selling going on in the chart of US dollar after it reached the resistance. If you have watched my previous video, then you know this stuff pretty well, because I have been discussing about this for quite some time. So but yes, there was some heavy selling on the US dollar since yesterday after it reached the resistance. But in the chart of USD CAD, we do not see any huge move here. And on the other hand, okay, if you look at the chart of US oil or crude oil, because oil also has a direct impact on the chart of USD CAD. So if you look at the chart of oil here, then you can see that oil is quite bullish. Oil is going up. It had a resistance, but market is so bullish that it is going up. It has broke the resistance. So dollar is weak, dollar is going down, but yes, dollar has a support. There is a good possibility of bouncing, but right now dollar is going down and crude is going up. So whenever dollar goes down, USD CAD goes down, and when crude goes up, USD CAD goes down. But right now, if you look at the chart of USD CAD here, there is not much movement. So leave out the external factors, okay, and just focus on these two lines here. So you can see that I have drawn a resistance line in the form of a trend line. So I'll request you to draw this line, because you can clearly see that market is respecting this trend line as a resistance on numerous occasions. Therefore, this trend line is a valid resistance for the market, and apart from this resistance level, we also have this support. So these two lines are important, and we can see that market has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern here, and this kind of a pattern is called a symmetrical triangle pattern, and market has almost reached this narrow zone here. So do one thing, don't trade right now, wait for the market to give you a proper breakout, because in a symmetrical triangle pattern, generally market always crosses the resistance level or the line above. But still, I'll say that do not be too confident about the breakout towards the upside. Just wait for the market to give you a proper direction, either towards the upside or towards the downside. Clear? So as long as market is trading in this narrow range here, you can see the market is in a narrow range. So as long as market is trading in this narrow range here, no need to do anything, no need to buy, no need to sell, just wait for the perfect opportunity. When you'll get a perfect opportunity, once market will give you a breakout towards the upside or towards the downside. Just keep in mind that if market crosses a level, wait for 4 to 6 hours, so that you get the confirmation that it is a proper breakout, not a false breakout. That's it. Okay. And my dear friends, I have launched a pro trader membership program so that you get the best trading opportunities on the market. And this is the main reason of launching the pro trader program, because in many instances we have seen that we need to wait for a couple of hours. So I just bring out the best trading opportunities on the market in front of you. If you are interested, just go to the Pro Trader section, and you'll find all the necessary information here. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 41% retail traders have taken short position and 58% retail traders have taken long position. And this is the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So 58% are thinking that market will be going up, and 41% are thinking that market will be going down. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, do not go with the crowd, trade with proper analysis and proper logic. So as I said, no need to do anything, just wait for the perfect opportunity, wait for the market to cross either this level on the upside or this level on the downside. And once market crosses a level, the line, wait for 4 to 6 hours so that you get the confirmation that it is a proper breakout. That's it. So hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.